Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review, including those for FundingKnight, are available in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using FundingKnight. FundingKnight, a peer-to-peer lending platform review. FundingKnight offers a compelling alternative to traditional bank loans, operating as a peer-to-peer lending platform. It connects individuals looking for personal loans with investors willing to fund them. This service is particularly well-suited for those seeking quick and adaptable financing solutions outside the conventional banking system. Loan amounts available through FundingKnight range from $5,000 to $250,000, with repayment terms spanning 1 to 5 years. This platform caters to borrowers who might not qualify for loans from traditional banks due to stricter requirements. FundingKnight provides competitive interest rates determined by your individual credit profile. The application process is entirely online and streamlined. You'll only need to provide basic personal and financial details. FundingKnight performs a credit check to assess your eligibility and determine your loan amount and interest rate offer. One of FundingKnight's standout features is its flexible loan terms. This allows borrowers to tailor their repayment schedules to align with their financial circumstances. This flexibility is particularly beneficial for individuals with fluctuating income or unique financial needs. FundingKnight's interest rates are often more competitive than those offered by traditional lenders, potentially saving you money depending on your credit score. Furthermore, the platform does not impose prepayment penalties, meaning you can pay off your loan early and save on interest without incurring extra charges. However, it's essential to consider the origination fees, which range from 1.5% to 5% of the loan amount, depending on the term. Factor these fees into your overall cost assessment. FundingKnight presents a viable option for borrowers with a good credit history seeking a personal loan with enhanced flexibility and competitive interest rates. If you need a substantial loan amount or prefer greater control over your loan terms, FundingKnight offers a compelling alternative to traditional financing. For more information and to begin your application, visit the links provided in the description below.